know that China is now an innovation-driven country, and we do have a lot to learn with China. Not only with innovation and technology in terms of smart manufacturing, but we are also discussing about electric vehicles, about green energy, about humanoids, about the robots, data centers, AI, and also e-commerce. So there are a lot of things to be shared, and this program will definitely share with us a lot of knowledge for us to develop and use these practices that we learn in our countries.
I look forward to, strategic innovation in terms of how do we broaden that. I look forward to fostering global relations. But I think most importantly, when we are living in a digital era that is constantly evolving, I look forward to being upskilled, especially in artificial intelligence.